Hello everybody! In this video, we're going to break out everything you need to know about infinitives, from the basic form to more advanced structures and uses. Let's get into it. Okay, so take a look at this sentence here. She decided to leave. That little phrase "to leave" is called an infinitive. But why do we use it here? And what other forms can it take? Let's start by looking at some different types of infinitives. So as you can see here, we have got several types of infinitives. The first one is the basic to infinitive, like to run or to eat. Then we have got the bare infinitive, which is the base verb without to. You'll see this after verbs like make, let, and help. Then we have got the perfect infinitive. It expresses a past idea. For example, to have seen. And we also have got the continuous infinitive. This focuses on ongoing action. For example, to be waiting. And the passive infinitive shows the subject receiving an action, to be seen, for example. Now let's see how they're used in the context. Okay guys, so as you can see in the first part, infinitives can function as the subject of a sentence. For example, to learn is important, or to travel the world is my dream. They also can be used as the object in a sentence. For example, I want to learn, I want to travel the world. We can use infinitives after certain verbs, which you can see on the screen, and it's really important to learn them, and they're essential for fluency. For example, she agreed to help. Then we can see here that we can use infinitives after some adjectives. For example, it's nice to meet you, or it's important to stay focused. And then, as you can see, we also can use infinitives to show purpose. For example, he studied to pass the exam. And in both cases, infinitives explain why or add more information. When a question word is followed by an infinitive like what, how, or where, the meaning becomes indirect. For example, she taught me how to drive. And keep in mind that this is a common natural structure in advanced English. And guys, in the last part, you can see that we can use infinitives with some expressions like only to, enough to, or so as to. For example, we can say he studied only to pass the exam. Okay. And in the next part, we have got some common verb patterns, which I will break down into pieces and explain them for you to understand them better. So first, let's go through object plus to infinitive and the bare infinitive. With some verbs, we use object plus to infinitive. For example, I want him to call me. With others, like make, let, and help, we use the bare infinitive. For example, she made me cry. And learning which verbs go with which patterns is the key. Okay guys, let's get to advanced infinitives. The first one, he seems to have left. This one is perfect infinitive, to have left. It shows a completed past action. The second one, they want to be chosen. This is passive infinitive, to be chosen. It shows someone receiving an action. And then we have got continuous infinitive, to be waiting. She appears to be waiting. It focuses on ongoing action. All of these are great for formal writing and speech. Okay, now in this part, I have got some exercises for you. I let you pause the video and fill in the blanks.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's assume that you did that, and let's check the answers together. While I read the sentences, I want you to repeat the sentences after me at home. Let's look at the first one. They seem to have forgotten the deadline. They seem to have forgotten the deadline. Number 2, I told him to leave earlier. I told him to leave earlier. And number 3, she made me apologize. She made me apologize. So this is the infinitive without to. And now here, guys, I have got a challenge for you. Take a look at these two sentences, and I want you to tell me which one is correct. Number 1, she helped me to finish the task. Number 2, she helped me finish the task. Which one do you think is true? Both are correct, because with help, you can use either forms. Okay, great job keeping up, guys. I want to thank you all for watching the video until the end. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments, what would you like the next topic to be? Thank you, guys. Goodbye.